Welcome back to the channel where I tell you everything you need to know about tufting. Today I'm going to tell you a couple of ways to turn your rug tufting into a business. To start, get your first 3 customers. This could be family, friends, or whoever. But try and get that promotion and exposure. That will really be important. Maybe even make something free for a bigger creator that you support. Now remember, have some morality with this. You don't want to always be looking for personal gain. Now of course, if you sell a couple of rugs and you feel comfortable with going online, I created my own website off of Shopify. If you click the link in the description, you get the first 3 months for $1. And then after that, you pay $30 a month. Now that may sound a lot, but if you really think about it, selling 1 rug would cover the cost of Shopify for that month. If you'd like, I can show you guys how I created my website, but first, we have to hit 50 likes on this video within the first 5 days. Now from there, you can follow trends, but remember, this is art. This is the thing that you want to do in the first place. So creating more art and showing it off to the world is going to grow you the fastest. Having fun with what you're doing and creating new art, letting your creativity flow. Another thing I wanted to talk about is following numbers. I recommend not doing it so often because it can really demotivate you and it's kind of disheartening. Since everything is based off of sales and views, you're really just looking at numbers, and not everyone blows up within the first week, first 2 weeks, first month. Right now on Instagram, I'm about to hit 1,000 followers, but that took me 1 year to do. On YouTube, I'm about to reach my goal of 2,000. But once again, that took a year to do. These things take time. So if your business doesn't grow within the first month, learn from that. Change a couple of things. Just recently, I have changed my website to do a couple more things than they were doing before. I've been learning new things every day. Now, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok will be the platforms that you're most likely to succeed in. But remember, posting the same exact video on each platform, they're not going to get the same amount of traction. Lately, I learned that doing reels on Instagram or shorts on YouTube and just regular videos on TikTok are kind of the way to go. They get pushed out more to a bigger audience and newer people. But something like long form content on YouTube is a little bit harder to grow on because it requires more work. Now there's many different ways to go about your niche. You can teach people how to do it, or you can show you doing it yourself, or maybe you only show the end product. But whatever you choose, picking designs kind of matters. Now of course, creating art is just creating art. It's basically whatever you want. But you clicked on this video for a reason. So in order to grow your business faster and catch people's eye, I noticed that color, vibrancy, the character, or even just nostalgia really brings a lot out of people. It allows people to have an emotional reaction in their head thinking, wow, that's pretty cool, I want to click on that. It's just like when seeing the McDonald's logo, you automatically kind of get hungry in a way. But that's because those colors, red and yellow, express a little bit of hunger or hangry, and also happiness at the same time. Weirdly enough, color can grow business. And don't take that out of context. Now those are the organic ways to grow your platform, meaning you don't have to spend any money on marketing and whatnot. Now if you have some money saved up in the bank and you want to market, then I recommend doing all of these things plus the marketing. Don't automatically assume that the money that you're spending is going to grow your business any farther. Now, the final tip that I wanted to give is connecting with your audience. I personally think the best way to grow a business is being you. At the end of the day, focus on what your heart wants and keep creating art. If this video helped you guys at all, please click that like button and subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought of this video and if there's any other tips that I'm missing. I will see you guys next time. Peace.
I'm stealing one. You're back when I told you that you were the one. I still mean it now.